Hi everyone, I'm Ryan with the Talos Tech team. I'm here with the T60X showcasing the obstacle avoidance. I want to give a big disclaimer. We are professionals kind of operating this, so when it comes to mapping out your fields, always check your surroundings, map out the obstacles. This is purely for just research and just showcasing what it's capable of. All right, so I just made a quick boundary. It's just a simple there and back. We're going to be going over that tree right there and just seeing how it avoids it. So not really paying attention to spray, and I did not map out any obstacles. It's purely just to see how the drone reacts to something in its way. All right, so as you can see, obstacle avoidance on this drone is pretty reliable. It did a very good job of avoiding all three trees in its way, and it adjusted its height and pretty much went over the trees like no issue. And again, I just want to reiterate, I did not map out any obstacles. That is purely just the drone doing its work. Again, this is definitely not the recommended thing to do. Always map out your obstacles. I can't stress that enough. If you crash into an obstacle that's not mapped out, that is not covered warranty. So just make sure you know your surroundings, but worst comes to worst, let's say you miss something, obviously accidents happen. The drone will do a pretty good job of taking care of avoiding it. All right, again, I'm Ryan with the Talos Tech team here with the T60X showcasing the obstacle avoidance. And in the same venture, if you have any issues with your T60X or anything like that, be sure to reach out to our tech team specifically. So that is support.tech@Talos Drones, and we can help you out with any issues.